Hello students, welcome to physics class. In previous class you have to study about some basic concept about solid state physics and introduction of the solid state physics. Okay, so today we are learn about the crystal lattice or space lattice. It is the actual syllabus, that is crystal lattice or space lattice. Okay, so what is the meaning of the space lattice or crystal lattice? The regular pattern of point which describe the three-dimensional arrangement. Okay, so how much three-dimensional arrangement of the particles it may be, you have to consider the atoms, molecule, ions in a crystal structure is called as the what? Crystal lattice or space lattice, or it may be simply lattice. Okay, so once again I will tell what is the meaning of the space lattice. The regular pattern of point which describe the three-dimensional arrangement of a particles, that is atoms, molecules, ions in a crystal structure is called as the what? Crystal lattice or space lattice or lattice. Okay, so in that I will draw the diagram of the space lattice or crystal lattice. See here, it is the lattice point. Okay, so this point is called as the what? Lattice point. Okay, see here, I will draw the diagram of the space lattice. Then what is the definition of that? It is the regular pattern of a point which describe the three-dimensional arrangement, or it may be you have taken the two-dimensional, but in that it is the two-dimensional arrangement. Okay, so of the particles it may be atoms, molecules or ions. So this point you are taken as the atoms or molecules or ions. Okay, so these points are called as the what? Lattice point. Okay, so another space lattice, I will tell the another definition of this, that is an infinite array of points, it may be atoms or molecules or ions, arranged in a regular periodic fashion in a three-dimensional space such that each point in the lattice has exactly identical surrounding. Okay, so it is also called as the what? Space lattice. Okay, so in this, what is this? It is the two-dimensional lattice. Okay, so it is the what? It is the space lattice. How we call it is the space lattice. In this, the regular pattern of a point which describe the what? Here three-dimensional, but here you have taken the two-dimensional lattice. Okay, so in this what is the regular pattern means what? This lattice point, it is the distance is equal. So this equal is called as the what? Space lattice. Okay, so it is the regular pattern of the point to describe the three or two-dimensional arrangement of a particles in a crystal structure is called as the what? Space lattice. So in this, it is the two-dimensional lattice. So in same thing, I will draw the another diagram. It is the, these are also is the two-dimensional lattice, but the lattice point, it is not a regular. Okay, so these are all also lattice point, but this is also two-dimensional lattice, correct? Okay, so in this is the figure B. Okay, so two-dimensional collection of the points but not a lattice. So it is not a lattice, it is a two-dimensional lattice, but it is the collection of the two-dimensional lattice. It is not a lattice. Okay, how it called as not a lattice? Because this point, this is the lattice point, it is not equally arrangement in the one point to another point, so that is called as it is not a lattice. Okay, so in figure A and B are array of points in a two-dimensional. Okay, so these are all the two-dimensional lattice. In figure A, we observe that the environment about any 2 points is the same. See here, in this point, it is the equal distance, correct? In this environment is the what? It is the equal distance in one point to another point. So this is called as the what? This is the lattice, because in this the any 2 points is equal arrangement, so it is in the equal or it is in the same distance, that is called as the lattice. But it is not. In figure B, it is not a same from one point to the another point. It is the distance is not a same, so only it is not a lattice or space lattice. Okay, understood? Then in another diagram I will explain this space lattice or crystal lattice, how it called as it is as a space lattice. So another diagram I will draw here. See here, these are all the what? Space lattice. Okay, so these are all what? Space lattice. So this point is equal distance, correct? So this is A point, same thing here also. This is B point. Then is equal arrangement. Okay, so then third point it is the C point, then another is D point. So it is the point, this is O. Okay, so these points are called as the what? Lattice point, correct? So it is equal distance. So it is also in this figure C, it is A, it is B, and it is C, correct? Okay, so in this it is also two-dimensional lattice point or space lattice. Okay, so once again I will tell, in this a two-dimensional representation of a space lattice, it is shown in the figure C, correct? So it is observed from the figure that if the distance between the neighboring points in a given direction, see here, this is the distance between the neighboring points. So it is also one point, this neighboring point is, it is the distance is called as what? This is A. Okay, so the point of, it is the point, this neighboring point, these 2 points, it is the distance between these 2 points is called as the what? A. That is the point is A. Then same thing, it is also, this is the neighboring point is, this is the B, because it is a B point, this is A point, it is small a, it is B point, it is small c. Same thing you have to do in the, this neighboring point it is C, then this neighboring point it is D. Okay, understood? Okay, so once again I will tell, in this it is observed that in this figure is observed from the figure that if the distance between the neighboring points in a given distance is A, correct? So then the distance between the successive points in the same is a direction is A, further than the nth point on the same lines is located at a distance NA. Okay, so see here, so it is the one point, that is the neighbor point, it is the distance between these 2 points is A, correct? So same thing here, it is the neighboring point, it is B, it is C, and it is D. So same thing you have to do in the neighboring points up to nth. Okay, so up to nth. So in these two, located at the same line, so same line it is the NA, then located at the same line in the B, it is NB, then it is NC, it is ND, correct? See here, what is that? What is that? That is the point, further nth points on the same line is located at a distance A, that is the located at a distance A, it is called as the what? NA. Okay, so NA from the first point, here A is known as the what? A is known as the periodicity in the particular direction. A is called as the what? Periodicity in the direction of the particular direction, that is A. Okay, so it is the first line of the nth order, that is NA, then second order in the nth line, that is B, NB, then third line is the nth order, that is NC, then fourth line, that is the nth order is ND. Okay, so it is same thing, you have chosen NA, NB, NC. Then A is called as the what? Periodicity in the particular direction is known as the what? A. So it is also observed that periodicity in the arrangement of the lattice point in the different direction is different. See here, the different direction is different, that is NA is the one point and NB is the another, then NC and ND. It is a different from the different lattice points, correct? Okay, so similarly you can argue that for three-dimensional space, then how to draw the diagram of three-dimensional. Okay, see here, I will draw the diagram of the three-dimensional space lattice. Okay, so these are all the points. That point is called as the what? Lattice point. Okay, see. So these points are called as the what? Lattice point. So it is the three-dimensional space. How you draw this diagram of the lattice, space lattice? Because the distribution of this lattice point in a three dimensions with a you have to show the lattice line, lattice plane, and lattice point. Okay, see, you already know the where it is a lattice point. It is the lattice point, correct? It is the lattice point. Then same thing you have to draw the what? Lattice line. So these are line are called as what? Lattice line. Then same thing you have to do the lattice space. So these called as the what? Lattice plane. Okay, so what is the purpose of the draw the three-dimensional space lattice? It is you have to show the lattice point, lattice plane, and lattice line. Okay, so it is observed from the figure that in space lattice the points are arranged strictly at equal distance and that the surrounding of any point is identical. So in this, what is the purpose of that? It is the, you already know what is the space lattice. Space lattice, it is the an infinite array of points or atoms or molecules or ions arranged in a regular periodic fashion in a three-dimensional space. So because it is a three-dimensional space, such that each point in the lattice has exactly identical surrounding. So identical surrounding means what? This is the points are arranged in strictly in a equal distance. So these are all the equal distance. This point is the distance is equally. Okay. So at that surrounding of any point of surrounding at the any point, these are all the lattice of the any point is identical. That is called as the what? Space lattice. Okay. So once again, I will tell the definition of the space lattice. An infinite array of points or you are taken as the atoms, molecules or ions arranged in a regular periodic fashion in a three-dimensional space such that each point in the lattice, each point in the lattice has exactly identical surroundings. That is called as the what? Space lattice. Okay. So then we go for the what? Basis and the crystal structure. Okay, so next we go for the basis and crystal structure. Then what is the meaning of the basis? Basis may be you have taken the single or group of atoms. Okay, so basis may be you have taken the single or group of atoms. Okay, so the basis may be single or group of atoms. When basis is attached identically to array of lattice point, a crystal structure is formed. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Basis may be taken as the single or group of atoms when basis is attached identically. When basis is attached identically array in a lattice point, in that attached to the what? Basis and lattice point, it is formed the what? Crystal structure, that is called as the what? Basis. A crystal structure is formed by associating with every lattice point a unit assembly of atoms or molecules in identical in the composition. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? So that's meaning I will show a diagram of the, I will show the figure particular element of the two different ions which represent the basis. Then what is that the diagram? Okay, I will show here. Here I will show the diagram of that. So you already know about the, what is that? So these are all the lattice point, correct? So in this figure, you have to represent the what? Space lattice, correct? So because of one point is another point, that is the distance is equally arrangement, that is called as the what? Space lattice. So this diagram is indicate the what? Space lattice, correct? Then how to indicate the basis? Basis you already know. What is the basis? Basis U may be single or group of atoms. The number of atoms in the basis may be low, means as 1, as for many metals, but there are structure for which the basis is exceed the 1000 atoms. Means what? You have taken the single atoms or group of atoms. Okay. So for example, you have taken as the NaCl atom. What is the NaCl? Sodium chloride. Okay. So sodium is the one atom and chloride is the another atom. Correct. So these are the group of atoms, or maybe you have taken the single atoms. Okay. So we'll here group of atoms is the basis. One is Na and another is the Cl atom. So this is indicate the what? Basis. Correct. It is the basis. So basis containing, it is also two-dimensional. It is containing the two-dimensional atoms or molecules. Correct. Then what is the, what you form here? You have to attaching the lattice point and basis. It forms the what? Crystal structure. See here. I will tell the, see here. What is that? So it is the what? It is the basis and it is the space lattice point or lattice, or it may be the, so this figure shows the what? Space lattice. Correct it? Okay. So this basis is associated with the space lattice or lattice point. What is the form here? It is form the crystal structure. Then how it associated? See here, this point, this is the basis. Correct. So this basis is attached or associated to the space lattice. It is the one point. So how it look like? So it is the space lattice and it is the basis. So it is, these two points are associated. Correct. So it is the what? See here. So it is the space lattice and it is the basis. So these two are the associated with each other. So it forms the what? It forms the crystal structure. Crystal structure. Okay. So it is, the basis is associated with the lattice point or space lattice. It may be this point is attached to the this point, or it may be this, or it may be this, or it may be this. So this look like here. Okay, associated with the two. So it forms the what? Crystal structure. Then how it look like the crystal structure? See here. So it is this space lattice, no? Same thing. So it is the basis. So it is called as the what? Crystal structure. So in formula, how you tell it is the, how to form of the crystal structure? See here, the crystal structure is formed by the what? Addition of the basis and space lattice or lattice is called as the what? Crystal structure. Okay, so here the addition of lattice and basis, it forms the what? Crystal structure. Form a crystal structure, or the crystal structure is real. Okay, so you are taken as the crystal structure is the real, whereas the lattice is imaginary. So this crystal structure is the real, but in this basis and the crystal structure, in this the crystal structure is the real, but in the lattice is the imaginary. Okay, understood? Imaginary. The crystal structure is formed by the how? The crystal structure is formed by the addition of lattice or space lattice and the basis. Okay, so it forms the what? Crystal structure. So it is all about the what? It is all about the basis and crystal structure and space lattice. Okay. One example I will tell you what is lattice, what is base, and what is crystal. One example. Okay, so in your understand purpose, I will tell the one example. Okay, so in our 6th semester classroom, so many empty benches is there. Correct. So in that, before the classroom, the empty benches is there. Okay, so that is the what? Lattice point or space lattice. That is the empty benches, lattice point or space lattice. Correct. Then empty bench is occupied the student. Correct. Then this empty bench is occupied the who? Students. So this student is the basis, correct? So these two are what? These two are addition, correct? So the empty bench is there, that is the empty bench is occupied by the student, that is the bench plus students, that is form of the water crystal structure, isn't it? Okay, so in this, so many empty benches of in our classroom then occupied the students. So in that, so all classroom is fully occupied. So that addition is called as the what? That fully benches is occupied, that is the crystal structure. Okay, so that is the addition of lattice and basis is form the crystal structure, that is called as the what? That is the basis and the crystal structure. So it is all about the crystal structure or space lattice, crystal structure and basis and space lattice. So I hope all are understood. Okay, thank you guys.